great weather to ride a bike up the hill, I suppose, Grayson. But if you were missing summer, don't worry, it's coming back with a little bit of a vengeance this week.
Yeah, definitely. For all of you summer lovers out there and you've kind of been not a fan of the fall feel that we've had the last few days, well, don't you worry, because we're going to be warming things up in a big way this week. But starting with this morning, though, it was another chilly start to the day. Temperatures were at 39 degrees here in Cedar Rapids this morning. Our normal low temperature is right around 55. So not only were we around 15, 16 degrees below that normal low, we were just a few degrees short of breaking that record of 38 degrees that was set back in 1986. This afternoon, though, we made it to around 70 degrees, which is still below that normal high of 78. And that's really been the story across all of the area in eastern Iowa today. Temperatures topped out at 64 degrees up in Oelwein, same thing in Decorah, 69 degrees today in Waterloo, 70 in Tama, same thing here in Cedar Rapids, and 72 degrees down south in Iowa City and Washington. As we look ahead to the next 5 days, your 5-day temperature forecast here shows that really nice and big warm up that we have just ahead. Temperatures are going to be back up in the mid to upper 70s both Monday and Tuesday, and we haven't seen really 70-degree days since earlier last week. And then by Wednesday, we're expecting temperatures to be back up in the lower 80s, and that's where we're going to stay as we head throughout the rest of the work week. And not only that, humidity is going to be building too, so we're going to be getting back to more of that summer-like feel by the time we get to the end of the week. For right now, current conditions on radar and satellite showing really a whole lot of nothing right now. It's going to be a pretty quiet and another chilly night ahead tonight. Then tomorrow for your Monday forecast, we can expect a mix of sun and clouds. It's going to be another really nice day, but we'll have those strong southerly winds. That's going to help start to bring in that warmer air really throughout all of the week ahead. Then as we head into Tuesday, though, we'll have a weak disturbance pass through the area, and this is going to start to draw in a little bit more of that cloud cover coming in from the west, but is also going to lead to our next chance to see some rain. So by mid-morning on Tuesday, it's looking like we can expect some scattered to even just spotty showers to move through the area as we head throughout the middle of the day as well as into the afternoon. But it's not looking very widespread, and any rain that we do see is expected to be fairly light. We'll hang on to those rain chances, though, as we head through the night on Tuesday and potentially into Wednesday as well. But the thing is here is that we're not going to have a whole lot of moisture to work with. So especially on Tuesday, we'll have dew points in the 50s. So again, really not humid at all. But then by Wednesday, dew points are back up to around 60 degrees. And that's also going to be, remember, our first 80-degree day. So it's going to be starting to feel a little bit more sticky and warm as we head throughout the rest of the week. So getting back to more of that summer-like feel by the really second half of the week. For tonight, though, mostly clear skies. Temperatures fall into those upper 40s and lower 50s across the area. Then tomorrow for Monday, we'll have partly to mostly sunny skies through the day. Temperatures top out in the mid to upper 70s, and it's just going to be really nice as we head into the work week. But again, remember that southerly flow is what's really going to help warm us up as we head throughout the week ahead, and temperatures are reflecting that. We'll be back up in the mid to upper 70s both Monday and Tuesday. We have those scattered rain chances Tuesday, potentially into Wednesday as well. Then by Wednesday and through the rest of the week, temperatures are back up into those low to mid 80s.